green vegetables, vegetable like spinach, capsicum, ladyfinger, etc. you can eat in your daily diet. Okay, so I am going to tell you something more about fruits and vegetables by showing a picture. Okay kids, so let's start.
Hi, I am an apple. We are round fruits generally with a white-yellow flesh and tough inner core that can have around 6 small seeds in the center. We have a thin outer skin that can range from green to golden to bright red, depending on variety. No wonder we're one of the most popular fruits in the world. Here comes the banana. Hello. We are long, curved fruits with a rubbery outer skin and soft, yellowish interior fruit. We are a good source of vitamin C, potassium, and dietary fiber. We have no fat, cholesterol, or sodium. Also, we are great for athletic and fitness activity because we replenish necessary carbohydrates, glycogen, and body fluids burned during exercise. We've got twice as much vitamin C as those other dudes, apples, pears, and grapes. See, my friend Cherry is coming. Bye.
We love being cherries. We can't help but be cheerful. After all, we're one of the most popular fruits around, and we join the festive and holiday season each summer. If there's a celebration of any sort, we're normally invited, looking our best in plump, dark red skins. Let me tell you more about us. We belong to the stone fruit family along with apricots, peaches, nectarines, plums, and loquats. In spring, cherry trees are massed with beautiful white and pink blossoms, which form in clusters consisting of several flowers. These turn into bunches of 1 to 3 fruits, which are harvested when ripe. We're a good source of vitamin C. Oh, look, guava is here. Hi, we are round fruits with a thin, bumpy outer skin and creamy inner pulp that is packed with seeds. Usually we are green in color. We have a fragrant, sweet taste and a mushy texture. Our health benefits include the treatment of diarrhea, dysentery, constipation, cough, cold, skin care, high blood pressure, weight loss, and scurvy. It is always better to stick to eating guava in its natural form as a raw fruit.
Hey, we are small oval-shaped fruits with a thin leather-like outer skin and a white inner flesh, surrounding a single large brown seed. Besides being sweet and nutritious, we bring cooling effect on the human body to beat the summer heat. See, mango is here. Ciao. Greetings. It's wonderful of you to come and visit us here. We are called the King of the Fruits. Mango fruit is one of the most popular, nutritionally rich fruits with unique flavor, fragrance, taste, and health-promoting qualities, making it numero uno among new functional foods, often labeled as superfruits. Mango fruit is an excellent source of vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Mangoes can help in preventing cancer and can boost immunity. Mangoes are also known to prevent strokes. Wow, I've learned a lot about fruits. In the garden, I met some other fruits like apricot, papaya, pineapple, strawberries, and watermelons. They are all rich sources of antioxidant nutrients and very healthy and yummy. Now it's time to learn about vegetables. I am broccoli. My other friends will join you too. I am a green vegetable with numerous tiny florets and a notorious tree-like shape. I have a sharp, slightly bitter taste with a crisp, crunchy texture. Broccoli is high in vitamin C and dietary fiber. See, my friend Carrot is coming. Bye! Congratulations! You're visiting the King of Vegetables. I am a root vegetable, usually orange in color, though purple, red, white, and yellow varieties exist. I've a crisp texture when fresh. We are rich in alkaline elements, beta-carotene, and potassium. My health benefits include beautiful skin, improved vision, cancer prevention, and anti-aging. Oh, look, cauliflower is here. Ciao. Hi, how are you doing? Let me introduce myself to you. I'm a cauliflower. We're part of the brassica or cabbage family. We have roundish heads which are creamy white to pale cream in color and look like a fluffy white cloud.
We are an excellent source of dietary fiber and vitamin C. We can be eaten raw or lightly steamed for dips and salads.
Oh, hello. We're onions, sometimes called common onions. We're a bulb formed from the bases of our leaves. Inside our bulb, our leaves are tightly pushed against each other and are protected by our tough outer leaves. Long green hollow leaves extend from our bulb, and later, if not harvested, we can produce a single flowering stalk. We come in various shapes and colors, the most common being round to oval shaped and slightly smaller than a tennis ball. We have no fat, and we are a good source of vitamin C.
Now I know a lot about vegetables. There are some other vegetables in the garden too, like artichoke, beans, capsicum, olive, peas, garlic, sweet potato, etc. They are also very nutritious and good for health.
So kids, today we have learned so many things about vegetables and fruit. So it's time for our activity with banana, apple and grapes. So let's start our activity.
So activity, take a banana and cut it like this. Cut it into piece like this. Okay, cut the whole banana. Don't use knife by yourself. Take your mother's help. Okay, now peel it like this. Okay, now take a stick and do like this. Take 3 pieces of bananas and do it like this. Yes. Okay, if you don't have stick, you can use any stick. Now take a piece of apple like this. Cut it like this. Cut it with the help of your mother. Then do like this in the top of banana. And take a grapes and cut it into 2 pieces like this. And paste it on the stick. Okay, उसको stick के सबसे ऊपर लगा देंगे. Wow, what is this? Now it is not completed yet. Now take a sheet of apple and paste it on the banana and make the eyes of snowman. Yes, this is the snowman of fruits, banana, apple and grapes. Kids, if you don't have these sheets, so you can take black pepper to make the eyes and mouth of snowman. Okay, so do it like this. Yes, 2 here and the 2 in the last piece of banana. Okay, wow, it is beautiful. है ना, ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ना. It look like very yummy. Now kids, take a chocolate sticks. If you don't have chocolate sticks, so you can take pieces of chocolate. Okay, आप chocolate के piece भी ले सकते हैं and stick it as the hands of snowman. Okay, so now look at this. Wow, it is so yummy and it's complete now. You can eat it. Okay, आप इसे खा भी सकते हैं one by one. It look like a barbecue. Okay, barbecue भी ऐसा ही होता है, उसमें भी ऐसे ही खाते हैं. Wow, you can use black grapes also. It is very beautiful. So kids, after activity, now it is time for some work in art and craft activity. Don't forget to send a picture of your activity. Okay, kids? So kids, in homework, you have to do these lines in your art workbook. Okay, art workbook में आपको ये art complete करना है. This page and this page. Okay, in which you have to trace the curve here. Okay, here you have to use pencil, here you have to use crayon. Okay, same as here. Here you have to use pencil and here crayon. So do it well.